Today I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics November 2021 Paper 1 for Foundation. Today I'm going to be going through questions 1 to 3. So question 1 is circle the answer to 0.02 times by 100. So I know that it's going to get 100 times larger. So 10 times larger would be 0.2 and 0.2 times by 10 is 2. So the answer is 2. So the second question is circle the expression that is equal to x plus x plus x minus x plus x. As you can see, the minus x and plus x here cancel out. So we have left over is 3x, so the answer is 3x. So question 3, what is 280 millimeters in centimeters? So I know 10 millimeters is a centimeter, so I divide 260 by 10, which will give me 26 centimeters. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Math related videos.